Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Forte battery. First, gather all necessary tools such as a wrench, battery terminal cleaner, and a new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and parked on a level, safe surface before starting. Locating the battery under the hood is usually straightforward, making the initial steps simple and quick. This guide will walk you through each step carefully. Now, let's get to disconnecting the old battery. It's crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first. This prevents any accidental sparks. Use your wrench to carefully loosen the nuts on both the negative and positive terminals. Don't forget to remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. Safety first, always. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. On another note, quick recommendation. If you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable advice. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully place your new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Tighten everything firmly, but avoid over-tightening.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.